Hi friends, this is your verbs practice. For this activity, we want you to sort the nouns and the verbs. So down here you will see words. We want you to sort them and decide if it is a noun or if it is a verb. Now remember friends, a noun is a person, a place, or a thing. So if this word down here is a noun, you would put it right in this box. The other box is verbs. Now remember friends, a verb is an action word or something you do. So if this word is something you do, then you would put it in the verb box. These words down here are throw, flying, cape, mask, run, belt, hero, punch, and help. So sort these words into these boxes up here. A noun, person, place, or thing, or a verb, an action word or something you are doing. Have fun, friends.